And welcome back on your Friday afternoon. Hope you've had a wonderful day. Excuse me. If you've been out shopping, I hope it all worked out well for you. It was very cold to start, but it's been okay this afternoon, warmer than yesterday. As we look at our first alert headlines, chance of snow, excuse me, overnight Saturday into early Sunday. Not going to amount to much on the ground, but opportunities for snow will be there. Now, strong winds, that's going to be the bigger story on Sunday. We're going to see wind gusts 40, maybe even higher miles per hour. And as we look at your forecast beyond Sunday, I think starting Tuesday, we're going to see those temperatures jump above average, and they're going to stay that way for several days. But look at our current conditions right now in Fargo, 30 degrees, Moorhead 27, feels like 22 in Fargo when you factor in that west wind at 9 miles per hour. Visibility looking good right now, as you can see off the sky cam there. Grand Forks current sitting at 30 with that west wind at 13. It feels like 20. Now, we talk about those winds. Notice yesterday, even this morning, we're seeing winds out of the northwest. Now they're at a due west. By tomorrow, they're going to turn out of the southwest. Will warm up a little bit. Current numbers around the region: 27 Thief River Falls, 25 in Bemidji, 25 as well in Fergus Falls, Detroit Lakes, Alexandria, 28 in Jamestown. You factor in the wind. What does it feel like out there? Well, it feels about anywhere from about 8 to 10 degrees cooler in most spots than where you're sitting because of that west wind. So a lot of folks feel like it's in the teens out there when you actually step outside, despite the fact that we still have a good amount of sunshine. Satellite radar, we're starting to see a few clouds, as we expected, drift up from the south. I'll get the words out. Here we go. Looking around the country right now, where are we seeing any issues when we talk about travel? Mainly it is going to be areas like, you look at Denver. I think in terms of major airports, that's the one we're going to look at and say could cause the biggest issues when it comes to impacting travel. And here it is over the next 12 hours and even beyond. I think Denver really is that airport. Other areas in Colorado, of course, as well, that are really going to be impacted by that snow that you're seeing there in that part of the country. First alert forecast, we're going to see lows in the mid to upper teens in many areas, but with those increasing clouds and with the southwest flow, we're actually going to see temperatures starting to warm up by 7 a.m. Then we get clearing, so we'll start with mainly cloudy conditions early tomorrow. Then we get the sunshine warming up to 34, so warmer than either of the last couple of days. Then there's that opportunity for a little bit of snow. In fact, we look at our Sunday forecast right at 3 a.m. There it is. Now, again, most everyone will get snow, but again, it's going to be light. Very little, if any, actually making it to the ground. Behind that, we've got those windy conditions. In fact, very strong winds. I mentioned earlier, wind gusts 30, 40, even higher in some spots. Windiest time period is going to be noon with those wind gusts of 35 to 40. Again, some areas gusting up to close to 50 miles per hour. Your 11-day forecast: 34 tomorrow, 30 on Sunday, 28 a little cooler Monday. Then we're back in the mid-30s, upper 30s Tuesday right through next week, and even a couple of 40s, Bobby. So again, as we approach December, we're kind of going in the opposite direction temperature-wise.
A little bit, yeah. I got to say, I'm actually a little bit shocked to just see a couple of 40s on there. I thought they were gone, and maybe Santa came early.
Right. And when you look at those 2 days, that's December 3rd and 4th. So, I mean, we're there in December talking about 40s for highs.
Which I have no problem talking about.
Exactly.
Russ, thank you.